Welcome to Home and Auto Hacks, your go-to source for practical tips and tricks that will help you solve common problems around your home and car. Hey there! Are you someone who's been struggling with procrastination, lack of motivation, financial stress, relationship issues, or time management? If so, you're not alone. These are some of the most common problems that people face today. But the good news is that there are solutions. In this video, we're going to cover 5 common problems people face and give you practical tips and advice for how to overcome them. So, let's get started. Before we dive into each problem, let's take a quick look at what we'll be covering in this video. First up, we'll talk about procrastination and how to break the cycle. Then we'll discuss how to boost your motivation when you're feeling stuck. Next, we'll tackle financial stress and offer some tips for managing your money better. After that, we'll talk about relationship issues and how to improve your communication skills. And finally, we'll cover time management and offer some advice for balancing your responsibilities more effectively. Now, let's dive into each problem in more detail. We'll start with procrastination. If you're someone who struggles with putting things off until the last minute, you're not alone. But there are ways to break the cycle. By breaking tasks into smaller pieces, setting specific deadlines, and using productivity tools like timers and apps, you can stay on track and get more done. Next up is lack of motivation. We've all been there, feeling stuck and unmotivated. But there are ways to boost your energy and drive. By setting clear goals, finding an accountability partner or group, and focusing on the benefits of completing a task rather than the effort required, you can find the motivation you need to succeed. Moving on to financial stress. Money worries can be a major source of stress and anxiety for many people, but there are steps you can take to ease the burden. By creating a budget and sticking to it, seeking out financial advice or counseling, and finding ways to increase income or reduce expenses, you can take control of your finances and reduce your stress levels. Now let's talk about relationship issues. Whether it's with a romantic partner, family member, or friend, relationship problems can be difficult to navigate. But by practicing active listening and empathy, communicating openly and honestly, and seeking out counseling or therapy if needed, you can improve your relationships and build stronger connections with those around you. Finally, let's address time management. Balancing multiple responsibilities and finding time for everything you need to do can be a real challenge. But by prioritizing tasks based on importance and urgency, using tools like calendars or to-do lists to stay organized, and learning to say no to commitments that don't align with your goals or values, you can manage your time more effectively and achieve more in less time. So there you have it. 5 common problems people face and some practical tips and advice for how to overcome them. By breaking tasks into smaller pieces, setting clear goals, managing your finances better, improving your communication skills, and managing your time more effectively, you can take control of your life and achieve your goals. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other tips or suggestions for dealing with these issues, please share them in the comments below. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful content like this. Thanks for watching.